Okay, let us start. I thank everybody for coming in time, and in the due course of time, in next few minutes, few attendees would join. So let us not waste the time of the people who have joined on time. So just make sure that everything technically is all okay, that my voice is clearly audible and my screen is visible. If there is any issue, you can just type it in the chat window and let us know. We will have a look at that. Thank you. So today's topic is Simulia, new tool which is advanced FEA for product development. And my name is Gaurav Harne. I am working at Engineering Technique as a simulation expert. So the biggest challenge to leaving the engineers at home is reduction of collaboration, correct? Now I could see that most of the professionals are working from home, right? Or they are working from the home on alternate day basis. So collaborating with each other among their staff members, among their colleague is very big challenge nowadays in this situation what we are facing in last 1.5 year. Remote work, collaboration and the virtual shift, now it has totally changed. Everybody is now working remotely. So what will manufacturing's new normal be after COVID-19? Millions of people are in complete or partial. Now the lockdown is opening up. I must not deny that, but still in few areas it is lockdown. So which has forced societies to quickly and dramatically change how we work, communicate, socialize and consume products and services. There has been a paradigm shift, what we know pre-COVID and right now in this COVID area. Now the latest trends like online learning, work from home has become a new trend nowadays, correct? So if I say 2 years back in our engineering field there was work from home, online learning was not that much easy, or I could say not that much famous, as because of the corona situation has made us to do so. With social distancing in place, manufacturers may lose up to 50% of their on-site personnel, correct? I'll just admit few of the attendees. Yeah, okay, thank you. So most of them are now working from home, so 50% of their staff is not on-site. Now manufacturers also face this dilemma. We will see rapid adaptation of remote diagnostic management and collaboration tools. So how are we going to move ahead when everybody or half of the staff is working from home? Over the last 1 year or so, the majority of us have had to adapt to this new normal of working from home. And I have certainly spent far more time in the home than I'd like. And I am sure you are also facing the same, correct? Or most of you might be facing the same issue. Without the right tools, this working environment can present some real challenges when trying to continue design and developing products in SolidWorks effectively. Not only with your own colleagues, but also if you are collaborating and sharing SolidWorks with stakeholders outside your company, correct? It also becomes a big challenge how to move forward with this. For everyone who's not already using PDM, there are a number of options that can help you get by. Using shared Windows folder or a VPN connection, correct? This provides a secure access and storage, but connections can be slow and folder permissions are cumbersome. To configure and ensure everyone has right access level. Is the server backup on regular basis done or not? These are the few things which might come on our mind. Generic cloud storage solutions can offer more flexibility, but this solution don't understand the interdependencies that can exist between SolidWorks files. Like if you move files around between different folders outside SolidWorks, you can easily get in mess. Assemblies and drawings suddenly can't find their dependent parts when you are attempting to open them. This might occur. Right, so these are the few challenges or difficulties what might be facing when you are not inside your office, correct, working in a remote environment. When sharing externally, the recipient is going to need to have some relevant software installed to view and review design. Having to install extra software isn't always a great experience for your client when you are asking them to, correct? And of course, you could just store everything on your laptop or workstation hard drive. But what happens if the disk fails or you need to share content with your team members? Correct? So at that time how we would face that situation. So all these solutions have their pros and cons, and what they also miss is collaboration aspect. So we typically tend to rely on sending emails to communicate. But even on smallest of design project, there can be huge amount of information to manage. And relying on email can get pretty overwhelming and difficult to keep track on everything. Correct? So managing your SolidWorks designs from home. So these are the few points what we might be using, like connecting to VPN, or we store it on the cloud, like we have various options, Dropbox and etc. Right? Then we can just copy it in the hard drive or we mail it. So these are the few things which we do. Now there is a next technology shift that has occurred. The 3D Experience platform is introduced, bringing everyone to the cloud. With any 3D Experience has been announced by Dassault Systems to be the cloud-based collaborative platform for all size companies and business. It includes different domains like design engineering, governance, simulation, and manufacturing. So this platform is a one-stop solution for all the industries, either it can be small, medium or large, and irrespective of whether it is in design or engineering, governance, or they want to do simulation, or they are into manufacturing and production. So everybody will be under the same cloud and they can collaborate within each other irrespective of their locations, whether at home, office or any location, it doesn't matter. With any product development project, even when working remotely, we absolutely have to be in control of what we are sharing with others and with whom we are sharing. We also want to make sure that how we share the content is secure and simple. Sometimes we share our content via Dropbox or Google Drive and so on, but again, there is always a risk whether my content is safely shared or not, correct? So how to overcome? Now using SolidWorks in combination with this platform offers some massive advantages over the solutions what I have just talked, and it does by delivering a very SolidWorks focused collaborative cloud-based environment that connects all the design project stakeholders, ideas, design data and solutions. Correct? Let me just go to my platform. So I will just go over to the internet, and this is my platform from which you can, I will just switch over. Yes, so this is my platform. I hope you can see over here. So you can log in with your credentials from any web browser, either from your mobile or laptop or system, and you will be coming across various roles, correct? Like if you want to do designing, So we have this X shape app available, correct? So according to the role, if you are into simulation, so we have simulation apps. If you are into manufacturing, we have different CAM related apps, correct? So you can just do all your designing over the cloud. And there is a connectivity with your desktop SolidWorks as well. You can upload your documents, SolidWorks documents or SolidWorks parts on the platform, or you can create your part on the platform and download it and use it in the desktop, correct? So this is as easy as you are using SolidWorks. With all the features available over here, you can make use of all the commands, correct? And finally you can save it, right, or export it and use it in your desktop product, desktop SolidWorks. So there will be a drive which is created on your desktop. So let me just open the drive. So over here we can see this is my drive of engineering technique. So anything that you copy and paste in this drive, it will be automatically uploaded over to the cloud, right? So you can just drag and drop any of the component that you want to have preview. If you want to give any markups, right, so you can do that, correct? So you can just play with this 3D Play app which is available to preview your component. You can also create various communities and you can share your thoughts within your colleagues, right? So these are various communities what are created. So advantages are endless. So let me just jump on. Now we have seen the overview of 3D Experience platform and how it will answer our queries while we are working from home, correct? By connecting everybody, each and every aspect of you to the cloud. Now SolidWorks Simulia represents the simulation category of 3D Experience Works portfolio. So we have seen there are 4 categories, out of which Simulia, the webinar which we are focusing today, it covers under the simulation category. The goal for the simulation is to enable any companies to solve any simulations. So based on cutting edge and leading technology, Simulia, all types of problems can now be solved by all types of users. Either it can be a very novice user who is just starting to do the analysis, or the expert analyst. They can also make use of the software and do their job. Now, the market trend have never been stronger than before for simulation. It has been proven by the broad design, engineering and manufacturing industries that simulation helps launching new products to the market faster, correct? I hope this is true, that simulation has helped most of the companies to launch their products faster than those who are not using the tool. The benefits have been proven and are multiple, like faster product, less prototyping and more innovation. Another key factor is customer satisfaction in providing not only innovations but high quality products, correct? Nowadays any product manufacturing company without the design department is not fulfilled. Likewise, with design department, the simulation or the analysis department is also very important, correct? So while designing, we analyze the component and then we take it ahead for the manufacturing. So because of this, what happens? The key values of virtual testing, your innovation increases, performance increases, you can optimize your product, right? You can reduce the weight if necessary, keeping in mind its intended purpose is not hampered, correct? Weight reduction, which leads to a confidence in the user who is designing the product. Now what decreases are the costs, time to market, failure rates are decreased, right? The physical prototypes, right? Many companies might be doing physical prototypes instead of doing virtual validation. So the failure rates can be decreased, and the risk, whether my part would be fit for its intended purpose. We have the risk when we are into new product development stage. So that thing is reduced. Now, what are the challenges what are faced in product design? So, speed of innovation. In this world of competition, it is necessary to launch products to the market faster than their competitors, correct, to survive. So, with simulation, it helps take important product decisions wisely. Let me check. Yeah, okay. You can reduce the time and cost. You can save considerable amount of time and cost on creating prototype by leveraging simulation tools. Correct? Product quality can be improved drastically, which will in turn help you to take proper and informed decisions for your product. Now, coming closer to our today's agenda, that is Simulia, an advanced FEA tool. Now, this Simulia is a portfolio of connected, powerful and collaborative simulation solution on cloud-based 3D experience platform. I hope I made you clear what this 3D experience platform is all about. And Simulia is a part of 3D experience platform which deals with the simulation portfolio. So it empowers you to accelerate design innovation by solving engineering challenges for your SolidWorks design with full data associativity. You can perform any structural analysis with confidence, from simplest linear static to complex non-linear like drop, impact, etc. Now it is backed up by Abacus technology, which is a market proven technology which you might have heard of. The intuitive interface 3D experience platform enables your team to share and visualize simulation results and collaborate in real time from anywhere within a web browser. Now, expanding SolidWorks simulation. We all know SolidWorks is having simulation tool inbuilt, correct? We all know it by the name SolidWorks simulation. So let me start by answering what exactly is SimuliaWorks and how does it differ from SolidWorks simulation. SolidWorks simulation was built primarily for SolidWorks users to validate designs and drive design changes using the obtained results, maybe stress, displacement, factor of safety, correct? Now it is again single window user interface where CAD and simulation works on a single user interface, so any changes you make in your design will be reflected back in your analysis. No need to set up it again, correct? So it is connected to your CAD. So it offers a great solution for simulation at different levels of complexity and is complementary to design process because it is fully integrated with SolidWorks, correct? Now, on the other hand, for high-end or advanced and complex physics simulation, especially Dassault Systèmes Simulia, which is powered by Abacus technology, has some of the best products in the world, correct? So what we have done, we have created SimuliaWorks, a cloud-based simulation software on 3D experience platform that integrates with SolidWorks. So we see SimuliaWorks as an expansion to SolidWorks simulation, correct? Now physics complexity may differ, right? Starting from static, dynamic analysis, right? If you are interested in implicit or explicit, so the types of analysis are different according to the physics complexity, correct? So there are various types of analysis starting from problem time magnitude to its non-linearity. The creep test what occurs for more period of time to hypervelocity or impact analysis, which is highly explicit in nature and which takes microseconds, right? So the non-linearity is different at each and every level. So accordingly, different methods were generated according to the problem time magnitude, which are divided into implicit method and explicit methods. So the explicit methods occur in less than a second of time, correct, like bullet impact analysis or detonation and blast or drop and impact analysis, which occur in split second of time. While implicit analysis are our regular static analysis where the time duration is large for its occurrence. Now, coming back to Simulia, let me just jump on to my platform over here, correct? So according to the need, like over here, Simulia role, if I select, then we have different apps available according to your need, correct? And one of that app is our structural mechanics or structural scenario creation, wherein you can create your analysis or set up your models and check the results. So you can import your not only SolidWorks but other neutral file formats model also, like taking an example of this thermal analysis. Now this is a gasket manifold, right, which primarily deals with the thermal analysis part. So over here you can define various boundary conditions starting from temperature, heat flux or heat source. All the modes of heat transfer, conduction, convection and radiation can be taken care of, correct? And this you will get the results accordingly. So this was one case study of pump heat transfer. Now if you talk about few more case studies or examples that can be done, if I take an example of this analysis of self-loading concrete mixer arm, which is at the back end, right? So this is an automated vehicle in which the concrete can be poured into this rotating drum automatically. So let me jump on to my platform. Yes. So I have just taken the section of the arms where I am interested to check the analysis, correct? And then you can set up all your boundary conditions. We have this very good assistant which is available, which will let you know whether everything has been done, whether restraints are applied, loads are applied, materials are applied, mesh is done. So if I just highlight the mesh for you, so we have different mesh available starting from hex, tet and so on. And if I talk about material, so you can create your material. For example, I will say material new, and over here in definition tab you can provide all the necessary properties for structures. Either it can be density, mechanical, you can provide elasticity and so on, correct? Plasticity is there. Even if you are into thermal analysis, then it takes care of conductivity, specific heat and so on. So material creation and material property is very huge in this Simulia. So these are the few results. So let me just showcase you in the inside Simulia tool. So the only thing that requires for you is a good internet connection, and once your model has been loaded over to the cloud, you can work on this. So there is no requirement of setup of highly machines, right? The IT overheads can be reduced in this, correct? So you can set up everything like the loads. I have applied the load over here, which will be the digging load, correct? And different types of fixtures. So if I talk about the restraints, you can apply bolt, hinge, and so on. If I talk about the load, so all the different types of load are available. And if I talk about type, so you can perform static step analysis, that is non-linear analysis. Even you can perform static perturbation, which is your static analysis. You can do buckling, frequency, harmonic. Even implicit and explicit analysis can also be performed with ease. So these are the few results. What the displacement what I got was 14 mm, and the stress value which was coming at this bracket location, which is connected to this bucket. And good videos or animations can be created to check in which direction the displacement or stress is occurring. Now let me go ahead and explain you one more life science case study what I have done for dental implant. Correct? Now we all know these dental implants are used, right? Where they are used? In replacement of our broken tooth, right? So there is a screw which is first inserted, then there is abutment which is again helpful in gripping the crown, correct? And over this crown we have this prosthetic teeth, the artificial teeth which is mounted, and we have to check if the load is applied, right? When we apply the load on the tooth, whether it can take the load or not, correct? So this is the simple model what I have done. So I have just meshed it. So let me just hide the meshing part, right? So that these are the various parts. At the top we can see this is the tool which is applying the load at an angle of 45 degree, correct? And let me just highlight you the results. Now over here we can see the value of stress which is generated. Let me just clear the screen little bit. Yes. So we can see when the load is applied on the crown via tool, what are the stresses being generated on the screw and the abutment part where it is held, grip is there, right? So various results like the stress, or if you want to check the displacement, correct? So you can make use of various post-processing tools which are available. I have taken the section, right? The maximum displacement is coming over here at the top of the crown because of the load which I am applying from this tool, correct? Likewise, if you want to check the contact pressure, so how much contact pressure is coming. I request everybody to keep themselves in mute. Yeah, thank you. So if we want to check the contact pressure, so n number of post processing are available. Contact shear, right, which would help you in designing the product with better efficiency. Correct? And few more case studies what I had done, like crushing aluminium square tube on a hydraulic press. Now this includes a very complex physics, right? When we crush the aluminium rod, Now this is highly non-linear and elastic mode, so which can be done at very ease in such high-end Simulia tools which are available, and you can see the results are quite good. Here I have just compared the practical hydraulic testing with the simulation tool, and I got pretty good results over here. I have just taken the section to check how the folds are occurring when this aluminium tube is crushed, which will give you a good idea of how complex problems can be solved. Another case study like crushing aluminium soda can, correct, we all know this machine which is used for crushing it, and then finally it is disposed of, which is again a highly non-linear and explicit solvers are required, correct. So the same thing was carried out inside Simulia, and the results were again pretty good. Or even non-linear analysis like buckle clip, where there is high level of contact are required. A good contact sets are required while performing such type of analysis. So these are the few capabilities. Again, if you want to check the frequency, like whenever the engine, there are frequencies or vibrations occurring. So what are the natural frequencies which are coming on the engine, right? So this would help us in checking whether resonance is created or not, correct? So you can do frequency analysis also. Then various types of analysis like drop, impact, correct? So these are the few types of analysis, like if you want to do vibration analysis, correct? And on the left side you can see it is just a frequency analysis of the vane of the blade. Or if it is a high rubber or elastic material, correct? So such kind of analysis can also be done or carried out within the tool. Now this is an example of a casing. So at the left side what you are seeing is a 3-point bending test, right, of a casing of a component. So instead of doing it practically, you can do it within the tool and be sure whether it could fail or not, or whether any design changes are required, correct, before finalizing the product. So capabilities are endless. It includes explicit, implicit solvers, right, as well as 1D, 2D, 3D meshing can be done. Wide range of non-materials are available. Advanced post-processing tools are available to visualize your results, correct. Analysis, material rendering and high performance visualization can be done on your results. And of course, everything we have the option of cloud computing also. So instead of investing lot of money in the system for performing the analysis, we can run the simulation directly over to the cloud. So we have that option also, correct. So instead of investing money on the system, we can invest it on the tool, correct, and it can be directly run over to the cloud. Now one last question which might come: when we can switch from SolidWorks simulation to SimuliaWorks? When means why and how, correct. So whenever the problems with large deformation or strain, when there is deformation is more in your product, at that time we can switch, or there is large strain, advanced contact conditions, right, at that time we can switch to SimuliaWorks. We have additional meshing elements and features. We have hex mesh introduced, right, and fast solve time and advanced analysis, right. So for these reasons, we can anytime switch to SimuliaWorks. Now, what are the key takeaways from this tool? We have tried to create a designer-centric user interface, right? Thanks to the guided user interface and the CAD associativity that allows you to quickly explore various designs. Yes, the most important, being on cloud reduces IT overheads and infrastructure cost. As you know, the computing cost reduces, correct? Again, it is integrated. Integration of CAD and PLM is the key value to the users, where they can continue using SolidWorks, but whenever they want to make design change, it is not a problem at all, correct? Again, it is scalable across various skill sets. We have both designer-centric UI and expert-centric advanced options depending on the stage of product development, right? So even a very experienced FE analyst, he can use the Simulia, or a very entry level of designer who is just new into the simulation tool can also use it with the help of user assisted option which is available. Collaboration, and the most importantly, the collaborative nature makes it appealing for especially small and medium businesses, right? So considering this situation, it was very difficult to collaborate since we are not connected to our office, right, to a single server, right? So collaboration on this 3D experience platform can be of much more advantage when we are working at different locations, stationed at various regions, not only in India but also if you are working somewhere outside. So you can easily connect with this cloud tool. Now you can do static level of analysis, what we have seen, to any contact physics, to non-linear material also, like leathers or foam, or explicit analysis, what we have seen, like crushing or impact analysis or ballistics and so on. So it covers a wide range of physics inside the Simulia. Now the setup is pretty simple. This 3D experience client you can just install in your local computer, and once you are connected to the internet, correct, there will be a tenant which is provided for every company, and under that tenant there may be all your colleagues and staff members can be connected to that cloud, and you can store, you will have more computing power, you can collaborate, and you can stream the results within your tenant, right? And everything is maintained by AWS, Amazon Web Services, which is pretty safe and secure. You can even use it on your mobile phone, right? If you want to check the 3D CAD model, you can open it on your mobile as well, and you can comment it, you can give a few feedbacks directly from your mobile, or you can open it on your web also using your Chrome or any web browsers what we are having, and you can stay connected anytime, anywhere. So few of the customers right now, I have just listed few from different fields, like from heavy engineering, energy and metals, life science, industrial equipments, and few high-tech equipment manufacturers who made use of this 3D experience platform, and especially the Simulia tool, right, to perform the analysis for their products. Now, finally, I would like to conclude that the 3D experience platform is fully cloud-based collaboration solution that's been designed for SolidWorks. All of the infrastructure is maintained by Dassault Systems, which means you can be up and running in minutes, as there is no server to configure and maintain. Correct? No VPN is required, all of which can significantly reduce your IT overheads while providing a secure environment for storing design data. You and your design team can quickly and easily create, securely store, review, and share SolidWorks designs. And you can do all of this while working from home or in office. Correct? 3D experience platform, if I talk, is a big ocean, right? Where your designing can be done, your governance can be done. You can manage all your parts, products within the platform. Even you can do your analysis, right? So each and every field of your company, either it can be marketing, either it can be your designers or analysts, right? They can make use of this tool and get connected together. So if you have any more queries, you can visit our site and reach out to us at the number or at marketing@enggtechnique.com. You can visit our website enggtechnique.com to have the access to the latest blogs or articles or webinars, everything available on our website. Now if you have any queries, we'll have question and answer session, so you can type it, the question, and in the chat box, and I will have a look at it. Thank you. So if you have any queries, you can type it in the chat box, or you can even unmute and speak. That's not an issue. So let's wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, I have one question. Flow simulation can be done. Yes, we have the tools for flow simulation as well. So we have this fluid dynamics engineer role which is available, right? In this you can perform fluid dynamics as well. So if you're interested in your flow analysis, we have this app. You can do it. That's not an issue. Okay, so if there are no more queries, we can conclude the session, and you can connect with us if you have any queries via email. So we will be more than happy to engage with you.